getting ready with me. I really can't believe that Halloween is tomorrow, guys. I literally can't. Okay, I'm gonna start off with micellar cleansing gel wash. First, I'm just gonna. Probably should have put a stinger hairband on. 1 minute. Okay. Got my face bit. And then put the gel wash on. I've never actually seen this before, apart from the other day. I saw it in Asda. I'm not going to do it like that. Yeah, I saw it in Asda. I was like, I need to get that. So I was like, I'm getting it. Because I've got the micellar water to that. And it's really good. I was like, why not give this gel cleanser a shot? And as you can see, it works very well. Actually, tomorrow I will probably use this to take off my makeup. I mean, I won't be doing loads and loads of makeup. I'm being Harley Quinn, so I won't need too much makeup. I mean, obviously I will need a bit. Like the least lipstick, eyeshadow and eyeliner, because I want to do the little heart thing. And I will put a bit of mascara on probably, just to make it a better effect. Because Halloween's only once a year, you want to make your makeup. You want to make it so that your makeup looks really good. Next I'm going to use this, which is a hydrating spa face mist, like an aromatic toner to refresh and soothe skin. It's not a very strong toner though, but it's so good. And it's really natural as well. It smells really natural. Okay. Next, just some cream. Billie Jean is at my door. Next, my lippy, which is the nails today. Bye besties, see you next video. Let me know if you want to see more Getting Ready with me, and I'm gonna probably do one tomorrow. But yeah, bye.